In 1965, a spacecraft was passing over the Sahara Desert, with two astronauts, James McDivitt and Edward White, on board. They were astonished to see an unusual structure resembling a giant human eye amidst the sandy dunes. The eye's dimensions were astounding, with a length of 265 kilometers, a width of 70 kilometers, and a total area larger than 18,500 square kilometers. Despite its appearance, it wasn't evidence of an asteroid impact, as no such evidence has been found. It has puzzled the scientific community, resembling maps of the lost city of Atlantis, suggesting a possible ancient civilization. The location of Atlantis matches that of the Eye of the Sahara Richat structure on ancient maps, indicating a possible connection. The Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat structure, is a geological formation in Mauritania. It shares similarities with Atlantis, including ring-shaped structures connected by bridges. The location of Atlantis matches that of the Richat structure on ancient maps, suggesting a possible connection. The Richat structure's vast rings make it hard to fathom its size from the ground, leading to speculation about its origins. Archaeologists have found no evidence of human civilization there, but its uniqueness has made it a mystery in scientific circles. Apart from the Richat structure, the Sahara Desert holds many secrets, including its transformation from lush greenery to a vast desert over millions of years. The White Desert in Egypt, with its white sand and limestone formations, reveals its ancient oceanic past. Millions of years ago, when dinosaurs roamed the earth, the Sahara was part of the Tethys Ocean. As continents shifted, the ocean disappeared, leaving behind limestone layers that eroded over time, transforming into the white desert we see today. Fossils of plants and trees found in the Sahara's harsh conditions indicate its once different landscape. Around 2.6 million years ago, Earth entered the last ice age, marking the beginning of glacial periods. Geologists believe this was the start of the fifth major ice age in Earth's history, occurring every few hundred million years due to changes in Earth's orbit. During the last ice age, equatorial regions, including Africa, were affected when the Earth was farther from the sun, created equatorial areas where Africa also existed. It wasn't freezing, but it was quite cold, known as the African humid periods, with a thick layer of ice covering the world and the Sahara, flourishing with greenery and life. Thousands of miles away, there were meadows and lush green grass everywhere, with rivers flowing and lakes that, if present today, would be considered the world's largest lakes. All kinds of animals lived here, similar to those found in rainforests, and along with them, a large number of Homo sapiens also migrated here because compared to the rest of the world, Sahara supported a greener life. Agriculture could be practiced here, animals could be raised, and the weather was suitable, much like in Europe today. This ice age lasted for about 2.5 million years, but around 11,000 years ago, it began to end, with the average temperature of the Earth gradually rising from around 60 degrees Celsius. The thick layer of ice started melting, and slowly even the ice caps began to melt. Around 6,000 years ago, nature intended to reclaim the greenery of the Sahara. Once again, the green meadows started to emerge, and the sand began to spread as the ice melted, initiating the beginning of the Sahara's green era. This greenery extended for thousands of years, but around 4000 BCE, nature decided to reclaim the Sahara's greenery, and once again, the region started to transform into a desert. However, evidence of the Green Sahara era can still be seen today, such as the longest river in the world, the Nile River, which flows through South Africa, Uganda, and through the Mediterranean Sea near Egypt. The African continent during each ice age enjoyed pleasant weather, unlike the Arctic conditions that never occurred here, making it impossible for humans to live. That's why the evidence of ancient civilizations is mostly found in Africa, suggesting that human civilization may have originated here. For example, in November 1974, the oldest human skeleton was found in Hadar, Ethiopia, dating back 3.2 million years. This discovery reinforces the idea that Africa was the birthplace of humanity. Furthermore, there are hidden wonders in the Sahara Desert, such as the Ennedi Plateau, where a secret garden exists among the hot sands, providing a haven for local nomads. There are also ancient rock arts depicting various animals, especially cattle, indicating the presence of ancient civilizations in this region. However, today, the Saharan lions are extinct, and only a few crocodiles remain by the water's edge, believed to be descendants of African crocodiles that have been living here for thousands of years. Additionally, there are mysteries such as the Egyptian king Tutankhamun's necklace, made of a unique and mysterious stone found only in the Sahara. This stone puzzled researchers for years, as it was initially believed to have come from another world. However, its origin was eventually traced back to the Sahara, specifically in Libya, where numerous stones are scattered among the sand. Experts believe that these stones were formed around 3 million years ago when an asteroid impact melted the sandstones in the region. Sahara's unlimited sand may seem useless at first glance, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining the phosphorus levels in the Amazon rainforest. Every year, millions of tons of sand are carried by the wind across the Atlantic Ocean to South America, providing essential nutrients for the Amazon rainforest. Lastly, despite being known as the world's largest desert, the Sahara is actually the third largest, after Antarctica and the Arctic. It is indeed the hottest desert, but it's worth noting that snowfall also occurs in some areas, with temperatures dropping as low as 6 degrees Celsius. This video from Nira channel is also worth liking and sharing, and stay tuned for the next amazing video.